Hey guys, so today we're gonna clean our mass airflow sensor in 2009 Toyota Camry. So we have to use a Phillips screwdriver, lefty loosey. Alright? Before you changing the new filter, so it's a good idea to clean your mass airflow sensor. That will give you more efficiency and more power. But first you have to remove your wire harness out of the way and carefully take this one out. Give a twist and take this out. We're gonna use CRC mass airflow sensor cleaner. Alright, so always remember you hold this way, not this way. Alright, it has to drain towards the bottom. So here in between you can see all dirty, right? You can see it, and this is the one we use. And keep a little bit distance, not like that. Alright, like this. And then you just keep this way, and you have to clean inside as well. So I will show you. Hold it like this. Okay, something, put a rag or something like this. Then, like that. Alright. Use this way. Okay. And inside. Okay. And always make sure you dry it before you put that back on. Alright? It's air dry. Do not put that with the fluid inside and turn on the car. You will destroy the sensor and you're gonna buy the new one. That's very important. Make sure this one is dry. So it's air dry. Okay? Everything is nice and clean now. So putting this back on. Like that. And screws back on.